morning, everyone. Welcome to my page, TIMOKSTARBOY Reality Talk TV. Yeah, I greet you at your location time. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and for those people who are very sleepy, good night. I greet you well. You are welcome to my page, TIMOKSTARBOY Channel Blog on Facebook. Yeah, what we're about to show you is demolition of places in Lagos State. Tom Jones, Idumota, and Balogun Market. So we don't know what does this mean, we don't know what does it mean. So I think the governor of Lagos State, Sanwo-Olu, should explain better what this demolition is all about, because we've been hearing the rumor that they just want to be destroying some places and leave some places. So we don't actually know what is going on, because if you can see the video I'm about to show you, you will see that they left some places and they demolished some places. So this is so baffling, and we are very I don't know how can I put it. We are very novice to this situation. So we are very novice to this situation. That is why we are begging the governor of Sanwo-Olu to explain to us, because there is a lot of businesses losses, and the place is so rough and it's very dangerous. You will see the structure. The structure is not well controlled, it's not well planned, and it's very dangerous to human life. So anyway, let me take you there and you will see what we are talking about. So look at it. This is how it goes. Hello guys, this is TIMOKSTARBOY Channel Vlogs. We are videoing this is Jankara side, the road leading to the Adeniji area. You can see people, they are just demolishing this place. You can see they've been demolishing this place. You see the market, they are still lining up there. You see the garbage on the roadside. I don't know what they are doing over here. The government of Sanwo-Olu, Governor Sanwo-Olu, we are calling on to you to take care of this place. You see, they demolished this place recently. You can see, we are just showing you live from Tom Jones' side. This is Tom Jones. Man of God. But are you buying your job? This is Tom Jones Junction. They have demolished the house we are talking about. Of the demolition of the house, the building. We are going on the street of Madalas. No. You see, just demolishing the places. This is Tom Jones straight to Madilas. This is a Madilas road. You can see they are just demolishing the whole places. I will show you another one. Let me take you there. Another building that they demolished. We don't know what they want to construct over there. We are just sticking to the wall. We are sticking to the government of Sanwo-Olu. What does this mean? We don't know what they want to construct there. It seems that everywhere is just demolishing the building. You see, this is Central Mosque. You see, we're at Tom Jones area. TIMOKSTARBOY channel blogs on Facebook. You can see another one, another demolition. You see the building, they collapse this building. Just recently they demolished this place. You see people just lying at the roadside. Please share. Share. TIMOKSTARBOY channel blogs.